you see the world through the lens of loving God and loving others, your business will reflect that. Randy Gibb and I were having lunch, and he said, "John, would you ever consider being the dean of the Colangelo College of Business?" It wasn't until I said to the Lord, up until now, everything I've ever wanted to be in my life, you've made happen. But up until now, it's been all about me. From here on out, I want to make it all about you. The opportunity to be here is incredible. If you want to be in ministry and education and share the successes of business with students, there's no place better than Grand Canyon University and the Colangelo College of Business to do it. We are wanting you not just to learn business, but to do business. And by virtue of that, our students come out of here with so much practical experience that it's easier to walk into a job utilizing that practical experience, or to start your own business. Student Marketplace is a great example. We have students that are going to graduate not only with no debt, but with quite a great income stream because of their creativity and having a place where they can express it.
John has already been an immensely valuable resource to Canyon Ventures, our Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, and to Canyon Angels. John brings credibility. Students know when they talk to him, parents know when they talk to him that he has business experience. He started 21 companies. He's been in politics and elected official. He has relationships in our community. So he really is a great ambassador. What John does really well is that he understands that students and parents, they want students to leave with a job. And John connects the dots. He shows them the process.
There's a lot of things I've learned from John. As I'm building an app right now, he's been able to, give me that support and tell me how I'm able to, integrate it into the College of Business as well, and just give me that mentorship and advice.
A lot of times you can talk to business leaders and people in power and they can be all about themselves, and John Kaites is quite literally the opposite of that, where he wants to know your name and he wants to know who you are and wants to build you up in Christ.
If you're thinking about coming to the Colangelo College of Business, just know it's a place where it's going to be cool to do well in school. It's going to be a place where it's cool to love Jesus. And it's going to be a place where you're going to find a lot of friends around you that are going to be supportive of the things that you do. These are relationships that you will build here with faculty and students that will last a lifetime.